Hi guys, thank you for stay tuned for next tutorial for this bunny. And today's tutorial I will show you how to make this hand and also for this leg. So in this tutorial you need to make two hands and also two legs here. Without wasting your time, let us start it. I will show you how to make a leg of this 60 centimeter bunny size. This is the leg and this is the hand. Here I will use a big ply yarn. If you see the latest tutorial for the ears, I use small ply yarn, and here I use big ply yarn here, and then use 6 sides here, and then I need sizer and also marker and needle for this tutorial. So without wasting your time, let us start to make it. I will start first with the hands. Here start with make a magic rings as usual, and then make a slip knot. Okay, and now make 5 single crochet in this magic ring, and then make another single crochet. Use the second 3, 4, 5. Pull this short yarn, tighten it. Okay, second rows makes increase or in each of the stitch make 2 single crochet for each. Put marker and then make another single crochet in the same stitch here. This one. Okay, move to the next, make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Move to the next, make 2 single crochet again. Okay, so this is 2 left stitch here. Make the same pattern with increase here. Okay, this one. And this one. And this is the last stitch. Make increase to here. And make the last stitch last single crochet in the last stitch here. So in total in this second row you should have 10 stitch here. Now we will move to the third row. In the third row you should make a single crochet all. So here you should work for 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will move to the fourth row, make the same pattern as third row before. So in here, you should repeat this pattern until you reach 35 rows here. So just repeat it and work until you get 35 rows. So after you get 35 rows, the look of your bunny hand should be like this, and after that cut the remaining yarn. I completed for 2 hands like this, and the length of this hand is 14 centimeter for each. So you can make for yourself as long as you want. Here and here is a different, right? So you need to slip stitch using sew method here. Just pull this one. Okay. After you pull it, then make a silicone as the peel of this hand, and then try to sew this, making slip knot so the form look round like this. So here, after I pull this yarn, skip one and then put it here. Okay, pull your yarn and then pull it. Okay, now this is the original of the long yarn, right? And then pull it like this, seeing like this. Okay, and now pull this yarn, and first of all you need to make sure the size of this yarn, this one. So we pull it now. Okay, after that I put it here, and then I bring it back to here. Okay, now pull this yarn and cut it using ficer. This is the look of my bunny hand after I slip stitch or seam it, and then I will move to make another part, leg. Same as with the hand, make magic ring first, and then make 6 single crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now pull this yarn, tighten it. Okay, move to the second row. In here, this is the first row. Make 2 single crochet in this first row, and put marker here so you don't miss a count of your stitch and row. Okay, make another single crochet, and then in here I will move to the next stitch. I will make 2 single crochet here, 1, 2, and move to the next, make 2 single crochet, 2, and move to the next, make 2 single crochet here, okay, you have to remind left yarn here, make 2 single crochet, and make 2 single crochet in the last stitch here. So in total you should have 12 stitch in the second row. Okay, now we move to the third row. In here you work for 11 single crochet first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In the last stitch here, make increase. So 2 single crochet in the same stitch here. So in total, in the third row, you should have 13 stitch here. Now move to the row number 4. Make a single crochet for each of stitch. So you will work for 13 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you need to work from from the fourth row until to the repeated 3 rows, you need to make a same pattern, same with these 4 rows, and repeat this the same pattern, single crochet all until you reach the size that you want. So I will be back when I already in the 53 rows. This is the leg of my bunny, and here I already fill with silicone here, and then the size of this leg is 20 centimeter here, and you can make it as long as you want. And here you must be do slip this method here, and then if you see here, I call it this yarn for this one. So you need to make slip stitch as you do in hand like before here. And I will show you how to make it. And then for here, you don't need to cut this one. So just left another leg with the long yarn like this without cutting it. And because you will need to join this one and this one, both of this leg, and then make belly, and then join with the hands. That's why you don't need to cut in this one. So I will show you how to make slip stitch here as I do in the hand before. Now put your yarn into the needle, and then as you can see, this is the first or the last stitch here in here, and then this is one is the first stitch, and we walk to the second stitch here, skip the first stitch. Okay, then go back to the first stitch here. Okay, and then put it to the skip stitch here, and now fix this and then pull this. Okay, same as with the leg before, just put it to the back for this one, and then bring it back again like this. Now cut the remaining yarn like this, cut this one. So this is the pair of the leg and also the hand of the bunny.